say what's up to the vlog?
I'm done.
That's alright. See you guys.
Alright, guys, see you. Hi guys. So this is my vlogging channel. So like yeah, so this is me. And that's Sessa right there.
Oh.
No? Yeah, so that's Sessa. I am what you call. Watch this moment. I am a student that does online right now, and it's been going pretty awesome. I actually dislike it. I wish this all would just be over and I could go back to school and learn one-on-one, because that's the only way I can learn with people or learn in general. Let's head out because I heard April said something. April. Are you gonna become a vlogger now? No. I think you should. I think I shouldn't. Let me show you my outfit. I have a green crop top, some Dickies pants, and then I have a little green. What do you call this? Help me. What do you call this? Oh my God, what do you call this? Flannel? Flannel. I think it's flannel. I don't know. It just came up to my a little ring. I don't wear makeup, if you guys can't tell. I don't. Neither does April. So it's rare if you ever see her with makeup. So a little introduction of who I am. I am Abri's sister. Wait, she's not gonna post this, so it's okay. But I'm just gonna pretend like I'm vlogging. I'm her little sister, known as Destiny to her, but known to many people as DJ. I like skating. I go to the skate park. I've made progress of learning how to do my ollies and going down the ramps and going into the bowl, which is pretty cool. And I love to dance and I like to sing. I play soccer and I want to do track this year as well, but with what's going on with COVID, I don't know if we'll be able to, but I want to do track as well. But yeah, let's go outside because she asked for her camera. Well, she didn't ask for it, but I heard her say she's still vlogging. I'm not technically vlogging, I'm just having fun or something like that. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay. Still vlogger. Say hi to the camera. How do you feel being recorded? How do you feel? Some people get shy, some people don't. Anyways, today's video is gonna be fun. It's gonna be interesting. And it's not. We're going to Target and we have nothing to do today because quarantine.
Because it's hot AF.
And it's hot and we're not used to it anymore. So
we're gonna get some mangonadas. They're gonna sponsor me. Sponsor us.
Sponsor us. Let me check on that. Yeah, today's video is gonna be very dull actually. Probably not anything good, no good content, but maybe it's a motivational video from Darian. Now he's shy. You see, this is what cameras do to people. Either opens doors or it closes doors. What do you think, Brianna? Sure, I don't see you. Do you see yourself?
It closes doors, obviously.
So what cameras do to people is it like exposes them basically. It makes them feel vulnerable. So I'm putting myself in this vulnerable state every day. And honestly, it's changed my life. For the best. Cause I used to be shy to like vlog in front of people or whatever this is, but now I'm like, fuck it.
Hey, don't say that.
How do you feel when you're recorded? You're not shy? Do you want to be famous? No? Alright guys, so I got this. Oh wait, deodorant, but yeah. I got this because like the camera makes me want to look a little better. What are you judging about, huh? Why are you judging that I want to look cute now?
What is it?
It's hair stuff. I just want to look cute. Whenever you are in the camera, you want to look better, so I got these things. I want my hair to be more conditioned, has more strength, less dry. So what cameras do to you? They make you want to look better, and it's good. It's just about mindset stuff. So you want to get stronger in the head, like that's the kind of stuff.
You want to say what's up to the vlog?
I'm done.
That's alright. See you guys.
Guys, see you.
You're famous?
No, you stop making fun of me. This is what the camera does to you.
You're famous.
Okay, stop recording.
start your own YouTube?
Truck meets.
No. What about you?
How to dye your hair 101.
He's just burning people out. You're bad.
How to be a professional photographer 101.
Anyways, that was my first encounter with people, and it was weird because like I'm used to like talking to the camera, but once there's actually people there, that's when you actually get tested.
Hey, look at the camera.
Anyway, I'm excited for what's to come. For any of you people who are my first followers, this is just the beginning. That's the kind of confidence I'm trying to have.
That's right.
There will be better vlogs coming soon. Travel vlogs. Going to Ireland with freaking Brianna just to drink a beer. This is what cameras do. They capture moments you would have never imagined. Typical.
Burning.
That does not happen in Washingtonia. So I hope I inspire you guys to just get out there, get out of your comfort zone, talk about what you're passionate about, smile at life, just let yourself fail. Yeah, so basically you can't just like be like, oh, I'm gonna fail and like fail in your mind. Might as well fail in person, that way you can learn from it. Eat good food. Pit stop at the Chacana. And of course I got Esquites. Corn, Cheetos,